Hello, everybody. I'm presenting my research paper at the third International Multi-Topic Conference on Engineering and Science, IMCES, to be held on 2nd and 3rd June 2020 at the Faculty of Information Technology, Universitas Yarsi, Jakarta, Indonesia. The topic of my presentation is numerical data for wind turbine micrositing inspired by human dynasties by use of the dynastic optimization algorithm. My name is Shafiq-ur-Rehman Massan, and my co-authors are Asim, Imdad, Wagan, and Mujtaba, Shaikh. We shall go through the contents briefly. We shall go through introduction, aims and objectives, goals and results, the experimental design, data analysis, the value of the data, and how this new algorithm has been applied to the test functions and the recommendations and the conclusion in this presentation. We can see the landscape as in this picture, how Pakistan has converted 50 megawatts into a huge amount of 3.5 gigawatts of energy in 2018. So in the span of only 16 years, Pakistan has progressed from 50 megawatts to 3.5 gigawatts of energy. Now, consider the unique possibility if simpler, less costly, and more powerful algorithms may be written. When we talk about simpler, we say that the code is easy to run, easy to use, and it is shorter and it is simpler to implement. Less costly, when we talk about the terms of computation, means that the runtime costs or the runtime is less for this algorithm, and more powerful means that the results are more accurate or equally as accurate as other mainstream algorithms. The aim and the objective for this paper is to present the data for the new dynastic optimization algorithm. The main research paper for this algorithm has already been published in Applied Soft Computing journal Elsevier, and it has already been put to widespread scientific community's use. The goals and results, that there were a number of algorithms that have been applied to the wind turbine micrositing optimization problem. The best results were incidentally obtained by the Firefly algorithm. We have introduced a new algorithm, the dynastic optimization algorithm. The results of the DOA were better than the genetic algorithm and the differential evolution algorithm. Right? This algorithm has been discussed in the research paper that I showed. The important data about the power produced, the cost per unit turbine installation, and efficiency of the DOA are shared in this data article that is available in the manuscript. The complete methodology of the DOA can be found again in my main paper. The data is summarized in table 1 and figures 1 and 3 in the manuscript. The data analysis shows that the data was acquired by use of Core i7 laptop, 7th generation. The runtime was less than 8 hours on MATLAB 2017 student version. The data format is raw and analyzed, and the parameter values are given in the next slide. These are the parameter values that have been used. These are the same parameter values up till the hub height, starting from the entertainment constant up till the hub height, that have been used by Mittal as well as in previous studies. The DOA has been configured by the given parameters, and it is a new algorithm, and it can be applied and tested by the use of the same algorithms to validate my results by anybody who wishes to do so. Right? Now, I'm not showing the tables because they will be tedious. I'll be showing the pictorial representation of 5. My paper contains 3, but I'll be showing the results of the 5 algorithms. Now, zooming in, we can see that the black line, the DOA, is right in the middle. The Firefly algorithm and the hybrid battery heuristic algorithm, again coined by me, are showing better results. HMA is a combination of 2 algorithms, that is FA and DEA. So FA and HMA are giving better results, but DOA is giving definitely better results than the DA and GA, which is encouraging, and it shows that this algorithm can compete with the other mainstream algorithms of differential evolution algorithm and GA. This is the graph for the power produced, and the results of the DOA are right in the middle. The middle black line shows the DOA results, which are quite competitive as the number of turbines are increased. Again, the graph for the cost shows that the cost is minimal, and the results for the DOA are right in the middle. The Firefly algorithm giving the least cost, the HMA giving a lesser cost, and the DOA right in the middle. And above DOA are the differential evolution algorithm and the GA. Right, we can zoom in and we can verify that for most part of the simulation, DOA is right, spot on, better than DEA and GA. The value of the data is that it depicts that the actual implementation of the new algorithm for the computation of the WTM problem is possible. The algorithm works. The computation time for other researchers is saved, and I'm giving this data in this article. It is a viable source of comparison for other algorithms. This algorithm is competing with other algorithms such as the GA, genetic algorithm, and the differential evolution algorithm. The code that was used by Mithil is the same code, and the summation of the results of the new algorithm in this domain opens new avenues of research. My work provides a base for comparison with standard benchmark algorithms. To validate the results, we had to have a validation mechanism, and we applied the DOA, DE, and GA to two test functions, the boost function and the Bohachevsky's functions that are given, and the results are enumerated as follows. The minimum value of the boost function is 0 at 1, 3, x, y, and it can be seen that the DOA attains closer values, much more closer values as compared to the DEA and GA for the boost function. And for the Bohachevsky's function, again, we can see that the DOA is attaining better values and more accurate values near the value of 0 at the values of x, y, 0, 0. In view of the encouraging results of the dual algorithm, it is now possible to depict that it is a viable algorithm and it can be put to use in different fields of technology. The values of test function also depict encouraging results for this algorithm. Much testing can be done, and I'm also working on more test functions so that I can apply to the DOA to validate my results. The potential power saving, cost saving, and efficiency benefits of the proposed DOA are shown in the manuscript, and the comparison with the GA and the DEA is shown. The encouraging performance of the DOA and over GA and DEA is evident from the exhaustive comparison and the data shown and shared in this article. The main article, as well as the data shared in this article, validate my results. Well, what I've been able to do is that I've been able to apply two types of algorithms, swarm-based and genetic, FFA, DEA, as well as GA to this algorithm. FFA is not shown here, but it has been done by studies. The formulation of the new swarm-based algorithm, DOA, has been done, and insights may be gathered into the efficiency of the different algorithms. The DOA solution reached was better than the GA and the DA, or the genetic type of algorithms. The bibliography, these are the papers that I've referred to. And in the end, I'd like to say thank you for your time and patience. And I'm thankful to Hazrat Manzoor Hussain and Dr. Hafiz Abdul Ghani Shaikh for encouraging me throughout this work. Thank you.